proposed solution, our problem statement is using existing CCTV network for crowd management, crime prevention, and work monitoring. So basically, our prototype our proposed solution is Railway AI CCTV, which is just adding a layer to existing CCTV cameras to prevent crowd management, to manage the crowd, and also prevent the crime, safety, and also the safety. So basically, we will have the all thing recorded in the backend. We will never expose anyone's privacy directly. So, sir, Hindi. तो बेसिकली हम लोग का जो कैमराज रहते हैं ना, वी आर नॉट रिप्लेसिंग कैमराज, वी आर नॉट रिप्लेसिंग द एग्जिस्टिंग कैमराज. We'll just add an AI layer to it, which will detect the prevention, which will detect the causes and alert the authorities directly. So basically, our main focus right now is on railways. So we are using railway cameras. तो उसमें क्या होता है सर कि रेलवे कैमराज जो होते हैं ना, उसमें एकदम बहुत लार्ज अमाउंट में पब्लिक रहती है. स्टेशन से जब ट्रेन आती है, जब ट्रेन में जाना रहता है ना, तो बहुत सारी पब्लिक आती है. तो उसमें क्राइम्स बहुत होते हैं, पॉकेट पिकिंग होती है, एंड एवरी सिंगल थिंग इज देयर. तो उसको मैनेज करने के लिए वी हैव बिल्ट एन स्मार्ट AI लेयर इन द एग्जिस्टिंग कैमरा, जो डायरेक्टली माइनर चीज को भी डिटेक्ट करके डायरेक्ट रेलवे अथॉरिटीज के पास पोस्ट कर देती है इंसिडेंट को. एंड देन ऑल्सो वी हैव प्रोटोटाइप. लाइव कैमरा, तो इसमें लाइव कैमरा होता है, उसके अंदर डिटेक्शन होती है, नंबर ऑफ पीपल शो होते हैं एंड ऑब्जेक्ट शो होते हैं, अलर्ट सिस्टम भी शो होता है, नंबर ऑफ पर्सन जितना है ना वो सब कैलकुलेट ऐसा. स्टिल वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द अलर्ट सिस्टम. थोड़ा सा माइनर से लेट हो गया, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर सो लाइक डिले हो गया उसमें. तो इधर पे सर वी विल बी सीइंग अलर्ट सिस्टम, हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स आर प्रेजेंट एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कॉजेस आर हैपनिंग. ये सर लाइव. इसमें वी कैन सी एट द बैकग्राउंड ऑल्सो वी आर डिटेक्टिंग द नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स. Yes, so this is the prototype. And also sir, we are still implementing like more on this. Like example, हम लोग और भी CCTV का यूसेज करके ना, वी आर लाइक एम्बुलेंस रहती है, बहुत सारे टाइम पे ट्रैफिक में एम्बुलेंस के लिए स्पेस नहीं रहती, डेथ भी हो सकती है. तो उस हिसाब से वी आर यूजिंग द एग्जिस्टिंग कैमराज, जो डायरेक्टली AI पाथ बनाती है, एक डायरेक्शन ऑलरेडी शो अप करती है, लाइक वो रोड में होते हैं सर इम्प्लीमेंट्स ऑलरेडी, उसके थ्रू विल ऐड अप अ बजर और समथिंग लाइक, जिससे अलर्ट होती है रोड के सेफ्टी के लिए कि हट जाओ रास्ते पे, एम्बुलेंस इज कमिंग ऑन. तो डिले नहीं होगा उसमें. वी आर स्टिल इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दैट. यस सो द स्लाइड. सर हम लोग ना इसके अंदर डिटेक्शन इज डन थ्रू OpenCV, YOLO एंड कंप्यूटर विजन. पाइथन इज ऑल्सो गुड.
So, nice work actually. I always have this thing in mind. First of all, if I am not wrong, Tuba, Shreya, Nika, Sakle. So I'm fine. So I always like I think we discussed some things on this. Sakle, I think
It's about electricity.
Acha, I remember discussing something with you. Okay, so I always had this thought in my mind saying that अगर मैं ऐसा कर सकूँ फ्यूचर में कभी, then this lack of tickets or like train tickets are not bought by everyone. So what? This kind of technology where a person's face is scanned, and of course let us link it with our bank account and let it get automatically detected, and let there be a digital like ticket on our phone, so that those who have already booked, if someone has not booked, let that person contact. If someone has not booked, so let us say that you all four have taken ticket and we both did not take the ticket. So हम दोनों ऐसे ही चढ़ गए ट्रेन. तो ट्रेन में कहीं पे या प्लेटफॉर्म पे there is a like camera like this which can. So I just had a thought. So you people are working on that railway cutting and the camera and so I felt like to tell you, Sergey said, yeah, yes. So just one part of it, and I think I'm not able to recall. I heard few of things from you people. So can you go to the first or second slide?
Second slide.
Okay. First slide is the introduction, I guess. No, no. Second slide. Uh, See, already this CCTV, okay, yes, yeah. So whenever you speak of software, you said that there is no need of changing the CCTV and all. See, my greatest of like always dilemma is like softwares are not always supported to a old product hardware. Right, so like recently when I went with my laptop to like with the service guy, he said that sir इसमें ये नहीं बैठेगा, ये बहुत पुराना लैपटॉप है, नया ले लो. So what you people are thinking of that? So you said like CCTVs are not need to be replaced or anything. So one
and I agree your point, but the thing is that existing CCTV में implement कराना तो better है. Apart from that, what if अगर future में scope अगर हो गया, तो जब रेलवे स्टेशन की अथॉरिटीज हमारा प्रोडक्ट बाई करेंगे ना, तो उनको और हायर कॉस्ट चला जाएगा कि डिप्लॉयमेंट करना होता है और वो मेंटेनेंस के लिए भी उनको पेमेंट ज़्यादा देना होती है. न्यू कैमराज में अगर इम्प्लीमेंट किए तो यही कैमराज में इम्प्लीमेंट किए तो डिप्लॉयमेंट का भी कॉस्ट लो आता है and maintenance cost is also low.
That's what, like, so whatever you build, so see that if it is not actually, that's true because so much of e-waste is generated just because either it is not up to date or not, the softwares are not supporting the old one. So even though they are full-fledged working, see most of the time they are sent to some remote places where there is basic cameras are required. Varna wo just they are discarded, so there is so much of e-waste. So I think you people are doing good job. So software, like if it is supporting the existing system, then that is good. So other than that, I think it's all fine. Nice work. So let me see in the future, like what is the outcome of this.
Yeah.
So you are saying you are doing two things. One is railway car AI and another is traffic.
Yeah, traffic.
So I would suggest that you can focus on only one thing. Rather than working on two different.
So we will complete the railway part and then we will implement on the ambulance part.
No, both are the two things here. There are two things actually. So you are saying that you are going to detect thefts in railway station and there is a large amount of crowd, right? So you are saying like you are going to prevent those abnormal events in stations. How come this traffic policy also is going to be implemented?
Sir, after implementing this thing, we will use same system to detect whether the roads.
Then there are two projects in it. It's only Railguard AI or plus Railguard AI you have got other things. And when you are saying AI, what technology or what algorithm you are going to use in this detection? Face detection, theft detection you are going to do, right? Theft detection. So theft detection, how are you going to identify that as
Still
happening?
we are working on that thing. Right now we are like space scanning.
Face scanning, like your mobile phone also does that, right? So face scanning, any software can do that right now.
Yeah.
But how are you going to do that theft detection? That's my concern.
We should give some examples, videos to AI
Ah.
that will notice that kind of
The model you have to design. Model you have to design so that you have a pre-trained data for that model and it decides based on that pre-trained data. Right? Not only about the theft, many things are happening on cloud. Yes. Yeah, so no, your objective is like crowding and abnormal events you are saying. Abnormal events are many things. Many things are happening. Right? So how are you going to detect that abnormal event happening in a huge amount of crowd? My suggestion is that you focus on only this thing for your presentation rather than the traffic thing. That you can do it on a next semester maybe. Okay, but right now, think about AI algorithm, AI technique that works on this abnormal event detection. Theft detection it might be, or it might be something else, right? Many things are there. Right? Social, you can just understand that, right? When there is a crowd. Okay. So you think about the algorithm which will do the theft detection rather than only face detection that I am seeing here. That is a simple algorithm, right? You just put in ChatGPT, it will give you in a few hours of time, few minutes of time, it will give you the code.
Sir, I also said that we are still working on an LLC.
Yeah. So you are working on it, but you should have some idea to present here. Right? So we are presenting here, you should have that algorithm, that idea, that technology working on this will get this result, and this is the existing thing. and we are going to improvise on it. This is what exists as of now. So we are going to work on it so that we are going to reduce the cost. We are going to improvise the performance. Anything it might be like performance, cost. So that those things have to have it. That's what my intention is. And focus on only one thing rather than going on the traffic one thing. Okay, I hope you can understand.
Yeah, yeah.
Because when you are focusing on two things, right, it's like sailing on two boats. You can't focus on one thing.
Right now
So
we're not focusing on both, sir. This is the part A and that one is the part B. After this we will do that thing. Yes.
that is fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.